me see what's in here. Oh my god, I love crazy earrings. I was like, this is massive, these pattern pieces. Okay. Look. Welcome back to Miss Matti. My name is Matilda, and in today's video we are gonna unbox this box here from Wax+Wraps, which I was recently gifted, and one of you will also have the chance to win a box for yourself. More on that later. I have already actually sort of opened the package that it came in, mainly because I forgot what it was inside. So let's take out the box that is inside here, so you can see how pretty it is. I really love the look of this box. I am definitely gonna reuse this for something else later on. I love cute packaging that I can reuse. I will unbox this box in just a moment, but before I do so, let me tell you a bit about the box and Wax+Wraps. Wax+Wraps is a British black female-owned business that focuses on monthly subscription boxes for sewists, and the box contains a curated sewing kit and African textiles. So I'm really excited to open this and see what's inside this box. Every month, fabrics are sourced from a different African country, and these boxes are also more than just backsprint and Ankara fabrics, although some products of course contain these as well. But Jacqueline, who founded this company, really wanted to showcase all that Africa has to offer, and also introduces us to new prints and fabrics made by artisans in Africa. Jacqueline, who founded this company, has worked with manufacturers and companies in Africa for I think over 10 years at this point. And with these boxes, she wants to share her love for Africa, also introduce us to new artisan and craftsmanships from Africa, and lastly, but definitely not least, bring more trade to Africa. As Jacqueline says herself, if you want to see change in Africa, you must trade with Africa. I have had the honor to get to know Jacqueline through my friend Matti. Great name, by the way. And when she reached out to me about this collaboration, I was really excited because I really love what she does. I have learned so much about African fashion and textiles from her, and she really knows her stuff. I'm not paid to make this video, I just really wanted to share Wax+Wraps with you. Alright, let's unbox this box. And here on the back, it says, "Welcome again to Wax+Wraps. You are now a member of our African Print Sewing Club. If you love your box, don't keep this treasure to yourself. Tag us on Instagram at Wax+Wraps with a photo of you with your box or with whatever you make, and gain 10% off your next box." So that's good to know. Alright, let me open this. Ooh, look here. So here it says what's inside, and it says wax print fabrics, African fabric, sewing pattern. I'm really excited to see what sewing pattern is in this box. Fabric swatch card, Africa info card, artisan playing card, sewing threads, Ankara pencil, and a free gift. And it says earrings. Oh, I love earrings. And elastic. That's exciting. Let me see what it says here. So here is a little card that says handmade crafts by small communities bordering Bwindi National Park, southwest Uganda. Meet Paulina from a rural community bordering Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, home to endangered mountain gorillas in southwest Uganda. She is a member of a socio-economic empowerment project which supports her and other craft producers to generate additional income for them and their families. She works with a small group of women and girls to produce a range of paper bead jewelry and accessories as for the Bwindi Tourism Club crafters. All their items are handmade and made out of cut recycled paper, seeds, and shells. Each bead is made out of strips of recycled paper, rolled tightly and glued in place. In some pieces, the colors are from the original paper. In others, they have painted them to give a bold, bright style statement. They have been coated to make them more resistant to water and dirt. Each necklace requires an average of 40 beads to make. So that's really exciting. I'm looking forward to see what piece it is that I got in my box. Maybe it is in here. It's super little cute package like this. Oh, here she wrote, "Thank you, Matti, for your support. This is a special gift from me to you, made in Uganda." Oh, that must be from this place then. I'm so excited. Look, it's a little cute butterfly here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. It's like this purple shade. So this is made from recycled paper. Wow, you would not think that looking at this. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love this piece. So beautiful. Might put it on. I can't believe this is made out of recycled paper. I mean, you can see it in some way. When you know it is recycled paper, you can sort of see the printed details in the beads, but I would not be able to guess that if nobody told me. So beautiful. Oh, so cute. Let me see what else is in this box. Some beautiful fabric here. Oh, I love these colors. Like blue and purple. Also matches the little necklace here. It's gorgeous. And let me see what else is in here. Let me see what's in here. Ooh, little card here. So beautiful. It's a really nice little drawing here of Jacqueline and then the logo and some nice print here. Okay, so here is the African fabric swatch card. So this looks like this. It's really beautiful, but also is so soft. For me, how the fabric feels is as important, if not more, than how it looks. So the name of this fabric is kente and the country of origin is Ghana. The word kente, which means basket, is identified with the Akan people in West Africa and particularly the Asante Kingdom or the Ashanti dialect. The term originates with the neighboring Fante people. Akans also refer to kente as Yuntoma, which means wove cloth. Originally made of raffia fibers, kente cloth, associated with Ashanti royalty, was made of silk during the 17th and 18th centuries. Kente cloth was a product of a global trade route which stretched from Asia through Europe to Africa. Rather than being made solely from silk, kente is now made mostly of cotton as well as rayon, making it affordable for a much wider reach of the population. Kente cloth is made from thin strips about 4 centimeters thick woven together on narrow looms, typically by men. The strips are interlaced to form a fabric that is usually worn wrapped around the shoulders and waist like a toga. Please note that your kente strip was handwoven by experienced quality weavers in Ghana. Alright, let's see what else it is. Some elastic here, that's probably for the sewing project in question. And there is some blue sewing thread. And then there is this beautiful wax print pencil. So pretty. There is this. Oh, this is earrings. Oh my god. I love crazy earrings, as many of you do know. Oh my god. These are fun. Look here. Okay, I need to take these off. I forgot I had earrings on. Let me take these off as well. What do you think? I love them. So let me put this aside. So now let's find out what the sewing project for this month is. I am excited to see. There's some sleeves here. No? Yeah, it is sleeves. I was like, this is massive, these pattern pieces. Some wrap top sleeves, wrap top front, peplum skirt back. Ooh, and then you can extend for a dress. Ooh, some peplum skirt thing. So I think the plan is that we will make this wrap top and peplum skirt out of this fabric. I think it's gonna be really gorgeous with a style like that. So this is a wax print. Ah, look, so pretty. I like it. Bit different color scheme from what I normally wear, but I do really like the combination of the really strong blue and the pink. So what do you think? Shall I make this in an upcoming video? Shall I make it as a top and a skirt or as a dress? Let me know. As I mentioned earlier, you have the chance to win your own Wax+Wraps subscription box. So this is how you can enter to win your own box. First of all, you need to be a UK resident. I'm so sorry to everyone else. I know that many of you live in the US, but my second group of viewers after the US is actually the UK. So I know there's plenty of you here. And then what you need to do is to follow Wax+Wraps on Instagram and follow me at Miss Matti on Instagram as well. And then in a comment down below, you just need to let us know what do you want to sew this summer. Please share this video with anyone you think might be interested in this box and the giveaway. And until next time, bye!